I want to test if the thing is actually gonna work. So let me go just in a random, like, map thing.
Are you ready?
Just want to see. So I can control. Oh, that's a lot of bloom. But I want to see. Blackout.
Yeah?
Connect to Parsec. Jeez, that was loud.
Wait, what? Oh, okay, okay. Parsec, where are you? There you are, Parsec. Okay. Urban President, go. Okay, connect to bird.
Wait for notification.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm connecting to bird.
Download
Okay,
Parsec.
okay. Now
What
the
is
question
this?
is, can you move the thing?
Yes, I can.
If I do this, can you still like move a little bit or? Oh crap!
Yes.
Oh no! Oh no!
Ah!
Oh no! Oh
You're
no!
gonna give us some, you're gonna give us some.
Ah! Okay, so it works. It works.
It works. This is going to be fun.
Like I want to do one regular map before, as per the schedule. But after that, we're doing this. And Michael, you'd be able to connect as well, and mess me up too.
Yo, you'll need to help me. Blackout needs to help me in the
I'll help you,
background.
I'll help
Set
you.
that up.
Do you need a download link for Parsec?
I already did. I heard the name and I immediately went into downloading it.
Oh, okay.
I just need information.
So, did you install Parsec?
I already have it. It's in the Welcome to Parsec. Choose the installation type.
Installation type. So, what installation types do you see?
Per user and shared.
Okay, is it fine? While you debug that, can I go deafen and do that map?
Yeah, deafen us.
Yeah.
And do that in the chat
I'll
when
have
you're
a-
ready.
I'll have a-
Alright, but for now, let's do like a regular run. Get back into, like, you know, get back into the controls. It's been a while since I played Rollout.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah, that's a good map to start with. Though I'm lagging a little bit. Let me check my settings. Oh Jesus, everything's cinematic. Ow! Well, that's already a fail. Hey Nora, hello!
Get rolling.
Welcome. Hey, you got a gifted sub here.
Get rolling.
Congrats. Right now I'm playing Rolled Out, and I'm gonna do the Rolled Out thing after this. The Rolled Out sub goal that happened
Start.
after this map pack.
Out of bounds. Ready, set.
Which, oh boy, seems a little hard. It is, what the heck? Oh, Jesus. Why I got a 1 month subscription? Because you got a gifted sub by Austin, who, sub-bombed earlier.
Finish.
Go to.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna take this one. I want to see all the maps. Ah, too fast.
Start.
That's a seesaw I just noticed. There we go. Boop.
Finish.
Yeah, Austin gifted it to you.
Ready, set, get rolling.
Oh god, ice and bumpers. Oh no, that can't be good. Oh boy.
Get rolling.
There we go. There we go. And done. I can't remove it, unfortunately, no. There's no way to remove it. Like, don't worry, it's not like permanent, right? It's free. It's not gonna what's the word? It's not gonna renew unless you do it manually. Yeah, it's free. It's like that one you got it for free for a month. You get 1 month free, and only that month. After that, it disappears. Unless you support the channel, of course. What am I supposed to do here? Also, I just realized the sub goals are just come back up. Thank you. Okay, it's also a subathon. No, it's not gonna take $10. It's just gonna get removed. And you also get to Batman me, so for that month. So yeah.
Get rolling.
What the heck am I supposed to do here, though? Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Get rolling.
Yeah, it will go away. It will go away. Yeah, oh, wrong way.
Get rolling.
This way. Whee! There we go.
Finish. Ready, set, get rolling.
Okay, that's gonna be a ring jump. Oh no, that's a ring jump.
Roll.
That's a problem. It's not too bad.
Start.
Honestly, not as bad as I thought. Okay, maybe it's kinda bad.
Roll. Get rolling.
Not far enough.
Roll.
Yeah! Too far.
Start.
Okay. Not far enough.
Roll.
Come on.
Get rolling.
That is a challenging stage.
Get rolling.
Come on.
Start.
Could also skip it. And that challenge is gonna happen on
Roll.
just like an easy difficulty or something. There you go. Got it.
Are you ready? Get rolling.
Wait, what? Oh. I gotta go there.
Roll.
Oh, not yet. I got a strong spread on the break. Yeah, I know. Hold up. I'm trying. Yeah. Yeah.
Roll.
Let's see if I can complete the pack. fingers are becoming slippery. I have to. No!
Are you ready?
That's not a game I may know. That is called Rolled Out. Which is similar to, Monkey Ball. Let me just get to the next one. No, not this one. This one. There you go.
Ready?
But it's also my subathon, so trying to reach some quite cool goals. Oh dear.
Get rolling.
That's gonna be a problem.
Get rolling.
That's an interesting... Jesus, interesting concept. Hey, Frostbite! Welcome, Jesus.
Outbound.
Okay. I'm just warming up a little bit because I'm gonna do soon that sub goal that was reached yesterday, where my friends tried to mess me up on rolled out maps.
Are you ready?
It doesn't seem too bad. Never mind, it is bad.
Roll.
Oh no.
Start. Get rolling.
Oh, what the heck? Okay. Yeah, it's not a ripoff, it's actually a spiritual successor to Monkey Ball.
Finish.
Because Sega wouldn't want to make it, so I decided, you know what, fine, I'm gonna study the physics and recreate Monkey Ball. Like the exact old Monkey Ball. Like, it's not even like Metamania. Metamania has changed the physics a little bit.
Outbound. Ready?
But this is aimed to recreate the entirety of, like, the feel of the original games. Which they really nailed. And also I can be Burb. Boop.
Clear.
Just actually worry about it now. Okay, see ya, Sarah.
Are you
Okay, final level. Is it the final level? I don't know. Oh, it's like an invisible path. Okay, then. Oh, what the heck? Okay. Interesting. What?
start?
But there was something here. Ah, because it's like a corner or something. It's on the corner, boy. Yes. It's gonna be the last one I do before the complete try to mess me up challenge. Alright. Let's see, hydrate. Alright, why the heck did the call turn off?
I will send you to Jesus.
Hey guys! You craps! Come back! Or can I call a group without calling everyone else? Alright, Sierra, Floof, if you see a call, then don't mind. And Brisk either. I'm gonna call the Borb Gang. There you go. Back out! Back out! Come back! Get back over here! There you go. Why did the call shut off? I don't know.
Oh, back.
Yeah, they're
think-
back.
No, I had
Wait.
technical stuff. Also, blackout gone.
Blackout gone.
Yeah, he has to do personal things.
Ah, well then. Well then, Austin's gonna replace him.
Nope, he back.
Oh dear. Uh-oh.
Mm. So is an otter. Oh god.
What are you up
I
to?
just got out of the shower.
What are you up to? Shut up. Alright. So I've got Parsec opened. I'm gonna play. Okay, which map should be done? Okay, standard is how many maps? Okay, that's a long trip. Oh dear.
I have to break it to you, but you know what? Aston is gonna be my replacement. I'ma have to go.
Oh no!
Yeah, boyfriend calling me, and you know I gotta attend him. You know, gotta give him smooches.
Well then, fair enough.
You know how partners are. Yeah.
I mean, I never had a partner, so I don't know.
Oh. Oof.
It's just
Well, yeah, they're like that. They take a lot of your time. It's almost like I can't be my own man anymore.
Yeah.
Anyways, gotta go.
And I see you, Michael, and
Bye.
You, Mike. Happy birthday, Don't curse. Happy birthday, Mike. Beautiful bird. Austin. Wait, are you
What
the?
are you talking about?
It's Austin the Water, the quoting water.
Quote 21. Shut up, Blackout.
Is Austin?
Take me.
Oh yeah, Austin. You a crazy motherfucker. I swear to God. Okay.
I don't know what you're
You
talking
crazy.
about.
You crazy.
What are you
Okay.
talking about?
Austin is a crazy motherfucker.
No.
Yeah.
I am 200% sane. Wait, that's the right number.
No,
right?
you're 200% crazy.
No.
I think
What are you
you
talking
forgot to misspell crazy. Austin.
No.
Big respects. Big yike. No, all facts. No printer.
It's not the most I've gifted, and I intend to do more. Oh shit, Mike's not supposed to hear that.
Wait, what?
Oh. TTYL.
Caught on stream. Ooh.
Ow. Let's start this. Austin,
no.
just Mike the bird on Parsec and Michael go with the partner.
Okay.
Before chaos
Thank you.
happens.
Okay.
Yeah, before he goes and tries to grab my. Anyways, Blackout. You two, you're a wonderful gremlin. Yeah, but Mike,
I'm not a gremlin.
you're a gremlin. You're never gonna tell me otherwise. Otherwise than that,
Blackout's a gremlin.
he is. Anyways, look. Cook Blackout. Let's cook Blackout one day. Austin, you're a mad lad, and also Big Yike. Mike, happy birthday.
You guys wanna
Love
cook
you
Blackout?
as a brother. I'm out. Peace. Mwah. Peace.
Why does people want to cook Blackout? I don't get why. Huh?
Oh crap! Why did I connect to Blackout? What?
Wait, what?
Also, Mike, I can't add you as a friend. You don't exist.
Why do I don't exist? Mike
You
Space
don't
Dash Space Bird.
Nah, you don't exist.
What do you mean I don't exist?
I found you. You don't exist though, but I found you.
Yeah, that's the right one, right, Gene?
I don't know. Just get an invite a friend invite. That's the term, right?
I just got one. It does not match with your. It does not match with Austin.
What?
What?
Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's. It should be who me. It should be me. If it's blank and yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I forgot I didn't change my parsec to be me.
If you're an audio cable, then it confirm you're an audio cable.
That's strange.
No, let me just. I'm gonna type it in the DM.
Yeah. Okay.
Just wanted to make yeah. I took me way too long to remember that I didn't
Oof.
become
Also,
Austin.
just so
Holy
you know, though,
Connect to
Okay.
BIRD, aka built-in robot rendering device.
Okay.
And Blackout, do the same.
I'm coming in.
I'm coming.
Alright, so, Austin, do you have a controller?
Yes. I plugged it in. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Shit.
It should work.
I also don't even know if Parsec's gonna let me in.
Actually, should I use my keyboard?
Controller, it works with controller, so let's do controller.
Aha, I've arrived. Alright, let's
Okay.
start immediately messing you up. What happens if I hit these buttons?
No.
I won't, don't worry. I will, my job is to help you finish, actually, right?
Yeah, you should about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the buttons as infrequently as possible.
Mike, just don't trust Austin way too much. He's mischievous.
I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't touched my controller yet.
Seems like you're pretty mischievous to me.
I'm not the one that wants to cook you. Don't turn me into an enemy. I'm on your side.
I messed up my webcam. I think I might have messed up my webcam. Okay, no.
Oh, this is what it feels like to be on the receiving end of Parsec, where audio just keeps going in and out.
Yes!
I've never been on the receiving end. I've only ever hosted it for some of my friends. And they keep complaining, and I'm like, what do you mean?
I mean, we're viewing Mike's PC window.
Okay, so we'll do a run of Cozy, which is 25 maps.
Okay.
So
Oh, wow.
just try to fuck me over.
How much do you want me to try?
Yes.
Okay. I am picking up my controller.
Alright, because I'm gonna try to go run around. So if okay, it got connected. Okay, so this is a playground. This is a freebie, just to see if everything works.
My Parsec is still behind.
Okay, so who's moving now?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Austin is.
Okay, Blackout, try.
I can't.
Uh-oh.
Disconnect, reconnect controller.
Blackout's broken.
Yeah, give me a second.
It's okay, I got a problem for this
No.
solution. I got a problem
No.
for the solution.
No.
Stop.
Alright, I stopped.
I still can't control it.
Okay, can you do keyboard? Actually, let me give you keyboard controls.
Yeah, just Alt-Tab a few times in the middle of it. That'll definitely mess them up.
Austin, just shut the fuck up.
Hey, he said yes as how much
Okay,
fucking he wants.
okay, keyboard. Okay, Blackout, try to use I think it's arrows or WASD or arrows.
Do it, Blackout.
I'm trying.
Do it harder. Do it harder.
Nothing.
You have to slam it down. Really slam it
Disconnect,
down.
reconnect.
I'm on keyboard, you dork.
Disconnect, reconnect from Parsec.
Yeah, do that.
No. No.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Austin, you stop.
Alright, let's stop. It's only Mike doing it now.
No.
What are you talking about?
No.
I'm trying to reconnect over here. Now connection attempt timed out because you wasted Mike's time.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You stop wasting Mike's time.
I'm not
You
wasting
let him
anything.
reconnect.
Nah, not wasting time. We're doing content while you're having technical difficulties.
We're having content that's having internet
issues.
issues.
Not only you, Floof had difficulties yesterday.
Thanks, Parsec, for telling me that I have to change my settings because your stream settings is too powerful for my hardware.
Are you serious?
I wasn't joking when I said that my computer's like way behind. Like I'm looking. My Parsec is behind your stream.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna also disconnect real quick and mess with my client settings on Parsec. real quick.
Well then.
Oh man.
Anyway.
Is there a way I could change that without having you? No, I'm not allowed to change it.
Oh no.
Man, if only I didn't have to be in a Zoom call for my job. That's 80% of the problem, I guarantee it.
Believe me, at my job as well, same problem. The moment we go on Zoom, I can't do any shit remotely.
Demanding! Maybe, hold on, let me also close my virtual.
I wish I were back at high school on Zoom.
I wish I had money. I used to have $100, but I just spent it this stream.
Yes, and that's not my problem.
You're right. And I'm gonna do it again. Well, you didn't hear anything. You don't know my plan. Oh yeah, I'm also waiting to get back in connection.
Poor sake. Okay, let's do Austin first.
Where am I going? What's happening?
Are you ready?
Me go first?
Let's see if
there
you
we
go
go.
first. Okay, good. Okay, let's stop.
Well, this is not the direction my controller's pushing, but okay, I'll take it.
Yeah, let's stop, and I'm gonna connect blackout. Why did you not? Blackout, come back.
I'm trying to connect to you, but it keeps timing out because you're not connecting me.
Yeah, hold up a second. There.
It's really
Okay.
funny that I can actually watch your stream through Discord, and it's more accurate to what happens when I touch my controller. in
Okay.
Parsec.
Okay. Blackout can move. Austin. Can you
What's
move?
up? I can, yeah.
Okay, and blackout can move too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Good.
let's start that run then.
Yeah, now that I've got 30 minutes.
Let's go!
I believe.
Let's go, guys. How much do you want me to? How much to mess me up? Yes.
Get rolling.
Alright.
No, please. Oh fuck. Uh oh.
Yeah.
Uh oh. Uh oh.
Considering how far
No.
behind everything is for me, I'm really just.
Oh god, no. I'm underneath the thing here. I'm going to finish.
Nope, the finish is this way. The finish is this way. Where are you going?
Come on.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's gonna be horrible on some
I
of those
can't wait till we get
stages.
to levels where you can have you lose.
Oh god. Ah.
Get rolling.
Let's make it fly!
You got wings, you'll be fine.
Oh yes. Okay. Okay. No.
Roll.
Bold of you to assume I'm ever going to let go of right. I'm gonna pick a direction each time we start, and I'm holding it the entire time.
No. Ah.
Come on, Mike, if you want to go somewhere, you gotta work with me. I'm not changing the direction I'm pushing.
Why are you pushing?
I'm pushing down.
There's no way to go down because it's always gonna flip over.
Oh, I guess you better just lose this one so I can pick a new direction then, huh? I change direction each life. But that's the only time I'm gonna tell you which direction. I'm not telling you next time.
Found. Get rolling.
This is too much.
Okay, it's this direction now. Oh dear. Oh no.
Oh! Ooh.
Ah, almost. Oh, no, I quit. Oops.
I think that was because I pushed down on something.
I was on going free play, but you pushed down to flip and quit.
Look, I went to pick my next direction. In my defense, my parsec is really delayed.
Are you ready? Get rolling.
Now.
Oh my god.
Alright, this time I'm fully with you. I'm pushing forward. Let's go. Full speed ahead. Okay, you messed up.
Dang it.
I'm pushing left.
I'm pushing right.
Yes.
Oh. Hell yeah.
Yes. You
Before I know
compensated.
what's happening, we start with down.
Start.
No, my down's getting ignored.
Oh, Mike.
Go back out. You're in charge. No, this way. This way. Ow. This way. No! Push forward.
Ready, set.
I didn't cause it. It wasn't me what done it.
Austin!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Austin!
I don't know what you're talking about. Go forward! Why did you turn? Why did you turn?
Stop me!
I don't know which one of you is turning. I'm just pushing forward. Hit the goal.
There we go.
You guys aim. I'm giving you speed.
Okay, can I get a shortcut here?
Start.
Would I be able to get a shortcut?
Speed. You guys do whatever.
Piece of shit.
You're supposed to hit the goal, Mike.
What the hell? Oh my god!
There we go.
I was doing it again. Oops.
Start.
Yeah, that's what happened last time, damn it.
Yeah, except last time I was going down, not up.
Get rolling.
I'm not letting go of up, for the record.
There we go.
Finish.
There you go.
Yeah, full speed ahead then.
Set.
Alright, that's my job now. You guys are in charge of aiming. I'm never letting go of full speed. Which also means that whichever way the camera's facing is the direction I'm pushing, so good luck.
Dang it.
I genuinely don't enjoy how much better it is for me to just look at Discord instead of Parsec.
Oof.
Are you ready? Get rolling.
This is what Zoom does. Should I not be pushing dead center for this?
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Ow.
Nope, this is where we're going now. You didn't change
This way.
direction fast enough. There you go.
Finish.
There, man, Blackout, you're not supposed to help me. You're supposed to mess me up.
Oh, okay, I can do that.
Ready, set, start.
Does this mess you up more? Like,
come
I
on.
could just hold down. It's just not that entertaining, though. Like, it's so much more fun to just all of a sudden really fast. Whoa.
Ah!
Get rolling.
Oh, no, not this way. No, not this way. No, go back this way. No,
Yeah,
crap. No,
that
no.
way works.
Ah!
Out of bounds.
It works fine. That hole's the goal, right? The hole underneath the level? That's where we want to go?
It's this way. Yeah. This way. Yeah. Somewhere down there should be a goal.
So, okay, let's look for this goal. Alright, hold on. I'm not touching. Find it. Where are we going? There it is. Got it.
Come on. Come on. You damn.
Maybe if I turn off your video real quick, I'll be able to actually...
Okay, this one's easy.
Roll.
Easy? Okay. No, I don't even think we can make you fall off on this one.
Clear.
Easy.
Ready, set, start.
Ah!
Start.
I'm getting completely messed up by a burb and a water.
I don't know what you're talking about. I haven't done anything.
Clear.
Stop making up lies, Austin.
I don't lie. I'm nothing
Are
if
you
not an
ready?
honest what.
Roll.
Your lies are caught on stream, you dork.
What are you talking about? I don't tell lies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear.
Well, that was easy. They didn't look like anyone messed me up on that one.
Let's get
Because I
ready.
didn't have my hand on the keyboard.
Roll.
I'm
Well,
going full
match
speed
me-
ahead.
Well, mess me up harder.
Full speed! I don't like that me pushing forward just gets overridden by you pushing a direction.
Roll.
I feel like this is a little hard to actually mess you up on.
But I'm still getting messed up quite hard.
I think you're doing that to yourself.
Wait, if I don't touch anything, someone.
I picked my direction.
Ah!
Get rolling.
just gonna not do anything this time.
So we're trying to go that left path, right? So I should be pushing left the whole time. Got it. Here we go. This way. Oh, Mike, come on. You're supposed to land on it.
I gotta land on it.
There you go. There you go. Good job.
I landed on it.
You did.
Yeah. Yeah. Nope, nope. Yeah.
See, if I wasn't in Zoom, I would totally actually be fully down for just like one of us controls forward or back and the other controls left or right, or like we each take a direction.
Imagine.
We gotta
But-
use Zoom.
Set.
Yeah, but because I'm stuck in Zoom from my job, I really...
Yeah, this one's fun.
Yeah, it's really bouncy.
Wow! Whee! 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 Whee!
The goal is to hit like one of those like side ramps so that you just yank yourself in the goal.
Yeah,
Finish.
like that. Oh, it's not really it, but it's close enough.
I mean, also fast as well.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we'll go Zoom. Zoom speed.
Go fast like Sonic.
Sonic's not fast.
Sonic is fast.
Eggman runs faster than him when he's on 2 legs.
Finish.
Has that never bothered anyone else from the official games?
Are you ready?
Or the official movie.
Like, has no one ever complained about that?
Start.
This is my new strategy. If I just keep spinning my analog stick in a circle, eventually it'll put you in the wrong direction at the wrong point in time.
Clear.
Or maybe not.
You were saying?
I just gotta spike it. I can't...
Are you ready?
There we go. This'll work.
Roll.
It's not even doing anything.
I think you actually got disconnected.
Out of bounds. Are you ready?
I think also you got disconnected or something.
Maybe. That could just be how far delayed my parsec is.
Maybe.
No!
Clear.
Yes.
You are having network performance issues. Try telling Zoom to fuck off.
Get rolling.
Yes.
Roll.
Oh, well, oh boy, oh boy. Ow, oop, ah,
Start.
ah!
Start.
No, I don't know if I can contribute anything more to this. I was always like, hey, why does it feel like I'm not really messing you up?
Finish.
Probably because I haven't been.
Okay,
Probably because
I'm
you've been
gonna
disconnected.
To see if Austin has control.
Roll.
I'm pushing directions and nothing is happening.
Disconnect mechanic from Parsec.
I'm going. Make sure you let me in again.
Yes. Like I don't touch anything.
Can I go get some water, please?
Go get some water while I fix the water.
Oh yeah, I haven't even.
Okay.
I ran out of drink. I'll just spray my face real quick.
No! Water's incompatible with water.
No, I'm very compatible with it. My headset isn't, and I probably should have taken it off first, but... Oh, connection attempt timed out!
Bruh.
Oh!
Down.
It's fine, I'll just keep watering myself. If you put water on water, does that mean I grow?
6, 5,
Maybe.
I sure feel bigger.
3, 2,
I also feel like my headset's about to break.
0.
I didn't take it off, even though I just... Ah!
Ready. Get rolling.
This way. No. Oh wait, hold on. I have to push a button first. And then this way.
There it goes.
Yeah, there we go. This way. That's perfect.
There it
Down
goes.
Down to the underworld. Whoa. We go zoom fast? Yes, zoom. Zoom
Yeah, this
time. Go.
this is like glue.
Whee! I
Right?
didn't tell you could get out. Get back in there. No. Hey,
No.
Listen.
No.
Listen, I want to go fast. Come on.
No.
Get back in the tunnel.
No. Now. Now.
Yes.
Ah, fat. No.
We're going this way. I choose this way. Good job. We got the coin. How many coins should we get? Let's get more coins. Get
Now.
money.
Now.
We need money.
Now.
But we're broke. Well,
It's
I'm
not my
broke.
problem if you broke yourself.
I mean, I could blame you.
Time running out. 9.
Now. Go, baby. Ah!
What goal? I didn't see one.
2. 1.
I see these rivers of good stuff. That's my goal. It looks delicious.
Start.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Yeah, all of a sudden now it's actually kind of difficult.
Oh, no, crap, no. No.
Out of bounds.
I think I found the strategy on this level.
Yeah. Go out. Just go this way, damn it. Okay.
Which way are we trying to go? Left?
Well, if I go right.
No, we're going left.
Now.
I think that's. Do we actually just push complete opposite directions and not move?
No.
Blackout. We need a third person. We keep coming to a stalemate in which direction to go. We're trying to go right.
No, we're trying to go left.
We're trying to go backward.
We're trying to go whatever direction.
This way.
9.
Which direction?
That one. The one we're being pushed in. Just stay in the tunnel. Stay in the half pipe. It's good.
2. 0.
I love
No.
Are you ready?
Come on.
What are you talking about? We're coming. We're going that way.
No, we're going this way.
Yeah, this way. Which way are we going?
No one asked.
That one. Got it. Okay, good. Good job.
Why?
What do you mean, why? You told us yes!
No. That never told that direction. Fuck you.
Get rolled. Start.
This is too much fun.
Also, they definitely did not forget to change the stream category to rolled out.
It's fine. Nightbot can do that. Blackout, go tell Nightbot to change the game.
Nightbot, change the game.
Yeah, Nightbot.
If you don't change the game, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Did it happen again? Am I not having control over messing you up again?
Back out, no, please. We're so close.
No, you're not allowed up there. That's for good birds only.
What do you mean I'm not a good bird?
You heard me. No, you're not allowed. No.
No.
You're a sussy bird.
3. 2. 1.
It
0.
reminded me of the bad jokes that we're not allowed to say here.
Start.
I almost
you
said
are?
it, but I'm better than. Yeah, I don't think I have control anymore. It happened once.
Oh, let's see. Blackout, let's let Austin try to play.
Yeah, here we go. Don't worry, Mike. I'll play for you. Alright, I've done the best I can, Mike. Good luck. You're here
Fuck
now.
off.
Hey, I got you a lot closer, faster than you've ever been here before. You have the most time to get up there now. Come on.
Yes!
There you go. I did that. You're welcome. I'll take full credit. It's fine.
Leave this in.
Ooh, conveyor belts. Hell yeah. I'm gonna not touch anything. Just kidding.
Ah!
He messes up the bird cause I can.
Ah!
Roll.
If you guys see anything funny, make some clips.
Please do. Clip the agent of chaos. That means blackout. I'm not evil.
Get rolling.
I've been doing nothing but trying to help Mike this whole time.
You're messing him up.
I said I'm trying to help. That doesn't mean I'm not helping.
Start.
just means that I'm bad at helping.
We are the telling lies.
No, I'm actually trying to do the level, but I'm trying to do it at the same time Mike is, and we keep overturning. And that's what's actually been happening. This entire conveyor belt level. Okay. And left.
Okay.
Now is left.
No.
It's the wrong direction. Why did I get a ping? Oh.
Alright. No.
No.
Yes!
Good job, I helped.
Good job!
Yeah, I did it.
Unlike
Okay,
Blackout, who's trying
sine
to
waves!
betray you.
Dang it.
Blackout's betraying you. I'm not even touching my controller this time.
And Blackout's not touching even anything. There you go, now you're touching something.
Single speed.
I'm gonna go back to actually being able to see what we're doing. That's a problem I'm very seriously having.
One more level in that pack. That's the last. No, that's not last level. Never mind. This. How many levels are in this pack? I don't remember.
You said 25.
25. Alright, well, we're at 20 right now. So 6 levels
Full
left.
speed. Full speed. Oh.
Hey, where are the sugar cones? You wanna get
I would like it the iced creams.
Yes. Eat ice creams.
Yes, we're doing it, Mike.
Have snow cone. I would have snow cone, sugar cone.
Oh.
By the way, did you know that that character's name in the ball right now is called Snow Cone?
Ooh.
What?
Yeah.
Ready,
Oh crap, this one's...
Left.
Nope.
It's a left turn over there. I was getting ready for it. See, like we make a left, you know.
No, there's a better way.
There's a better. Okay. Show me the secret. No, that's not it.
Oh, that. Ah!
I don't
Go
think that's it
turn!
either.
Go turn!
What are we trying to do here? What's happening?
Who started Blackout?
I'm not turning.
Who's doing what? What are you guys
Ashton!
doing? What are you talking about?
Austin.
What are you talking
mischievous
about?
otter.
I won't deny it. I'm not allowed to deny it. I'm an honest one.
get rolling.
Yeah.
Start.
Come on.
Get rolling.
Come on.
What's up? What's happening? You good,
Come on.
man?
Ah!
What's the shortcut? Where are we going? Down this way? Okay.
No!
I know, it looks pretty good to me.
Ah!
There's blue down there. I love blue.
No!
I want to see the blue.
No! It's
Tired of,
it's
tired
not
of
get
pink
puke
purple.
down there. It's nothing interesting.
but it's blue.
No!
Rainbow confetti puke.
Bad water.
Confetti.
Bad water.
What do you mean? This is why you brought me here. I'm here for this reason.
Okay, I'm gonna help the bird this time.
Alright, yeah.
Out of bounds. Are you
I'm gonna not touch it.
That did not help.
Show me the short. Show me the shortcut.
Okay, let's dive.
start?
I'm not touching it this time. My hands are in the air.
There we go.
Oh.
Clear.
Damn, I tried to touch that the last second.
Good job.
I tried.
You play yourself.
I tried to make that shortcut.
Ooh.
I tried to make that shortcut.
Balls.
Let's go hug the balls. Oh,
I
touch
don't-
the ball.
I don't
Touch the
want
ball.
balls.
Touch
I
the
don't
ball.
want ball.
Just blood.
No! Ow!
Get the ball. Get the
No.
ball. Get the ball. We love balls.
Get rolling.
Hey, that's what Jacksepticeye says.
Get the ball. Yes, stay in the path of the ball. Stay in the path of the ball. No. Why are you forbidding the love of the balls?
I love balls.
Me too.
Ow, shit.
I love when balls get slammed into my face.
Oh, okay.
Get rolling.
Balls.
Yeah.
We go that way.
Yeah, this way. This way.
This way? Okay,
No!
this way.
Ow!
That way?
Ah!
Which way? That way? I don't think that's the right way.
Ah!
Mike, I trusted you and you kind of threw us to death, so I feel like that was entirely your fault.
That was all these. Ow!
Okay, I know that I just made a joke about balls and like slamming, but you don't have to slam into them.
Go ahead and cut. No, not the ball. No, no.
You almost had it, Mike. What happened?
Who wanted to touch the balls?
You! That's why you keep slamming into them, right?
No.
No, it's Austin.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ow.
Stop making up lies.
I'm not making up lies. I like the balls.
Making up lies.
I like the balls. I'm not making up lies.
Are you sure about that?
Painfully
Ow.
honest. I like the ball.
Get rolling.
Alright, I ain't touching it this round. Here you go. This is your chance, Blackout. Mess him up. Or don't.
Fire!
However you feel like
Oh,
participating.
Get ready.
Alright, that was the run without me. I'm back now.
Damn it.
You had your chance. Oh no. Oh no.
Bound. Are you ready?
I was like a power slam and everything.
Okay.
Full speed ahead.
Should we just move to the next level?
I'm trying to get him now. It's been no.
Dude, I guess next time I die, I'm gonna drink iced tea because there's like a couple of hide iced tea that I did not have the time to redeem here.
Ah,
There we go.
there
All
we
right.
go.
Couple
Yeah,
of
we'll do
iced tea.
Blackout, you and me. We got the next level, right? We got this, Blackout. Mike, you just enjoy your.
All right, I'm back.
We got it. How do we do this level? It's kind of hard for me to see. I'm in like 1080,
Let me try
not even
myself.
10. But okay, I'll let go. It's up to you.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh.
oh, oh.
Oh!
There you go.
Hey! Hey!
There you go.
You kept going backward, but okay. That's the last one. No, it's not the last one. It's the second to last.
I didn't keep going
Peekaboo.
backward. Austin kept going backwards. Messed me up.
I was not actually touching my controller that time.
Blacked out.
Jeez.
I'm also still not touching my controller, so
Austin, you're touching your controller. I'm not touching anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Ready, set,
Candy canes? Hell yeah. Alright, let's go lick a candy cane.
Ow.
That's not how you lick, Mike. Come on.
You don't grab one either.
I don't know.
Candy cane.
start.
Yeah, peck the candy cane. There you go. Peck it. Full force. Full speed.
Ah.
Full force. Full speed. Peck it. Peck it till it's gone. That's not the candy cane, Mike. That's the floor.
Start.
Mike, that's not even the floor.
And the floor is candy, all right.
Woo! Peck the floor.
Start.
The floor is wafer.
That's fine. Oh my god, the Discord
Oh,
stream is
dear.
now at like half a 160p.
Oh no.
Parsec definitely hates me today.
Get rolling.
I mean, like, Parsec is like basically unresponsive for me at this point. But I can watch through Discord, but it's at like the lowest resolution I've ever seen. I'm playing on an N64 as far as I'm concerned.
Even lower than N64, I think, at this point.
I'm pretty sure it is, yeah.
Start.
God, just this one level.
There's-
Roll.
There's maybe 20 pixels.
Get rolling.
I'd be surprised if there was 10.
This is what Zoom does to your computer, guys. This is why you should veto online classes. They're very bad for your computer's health.
Roll.
They
Yeah, you all
result
stop
in-
getting me to the center, damn it.
I don't know what you're talking about. That's where the candy canes are, right?
Start.
I can't see, so I'm actually just pushing a direction and hoping that we're hitting candy canes.
I mean, it's working.
Start.
Yay! I'm doing it. Are you proud of me, Black?
Hey, we did not hit anything this time. Come on, no, 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 come back, don't come back here. No. No, no!
Are you ready? Get rolling.
Oh man.
Ow.
Considering I've got 5 minutes left on my break.
Ah!
Whenever you guys want to finish, by all means go for it. I'm gonna put my controller down.
I'm just gonna go ahead and scream at the top of my voice real quick.
Roll.
It's my chance!
I'm
Now!
putting my controller down.
Get rolling.
It's my
I'm
chance!
just gonna get a rubber band and I'm gonna stick the analog in a certain.
No!
No!
Just gonna-
No!
There we go. Alright, I'm good.
Can't control. For some reason.
Ah!
This is actually working.
Get
somehow.
rolling.
I hate that.
No, it's not.
I can't control.
Mike, did you lock us out so you could try to finish the level?
No.
Yeah, I
Ah!
believe that.
Ready, set,
Yeah, who did that?
Blue! I don't know what you're talking about. It was me.
No.
I'm just gonna
Don't
try
you
to
dare.
go in circles for a quick second.
Don't you dare.
Circle! That way. That's a circle.
Ah!
There you go.
get rolling.
This way. This way. This way. Yeah, this way. Yeah.
Jesus.
This way.
Start.
Out of all the
This
levels,
way.
of course, the last one is the hardest. Not
This
because it's the
way.
actual hardest, but because this is what my friends actually want to mess me up.
This way. That way. Yeah, this way.
Start.
Let's go visit the blue.
Now.
That way. Yeah, blue.
Roll.
I like that my chair is slowly sliding further and further from my desk, so I think I'm getting slightly quieter in my mic.
There we go.
I
Hey! It only took 27 minutes. Oh god.
I did it!
That took 27 minutes. Jesus.
Yeah, if Mike would stop trying to sabotage us, we would have got through that so much faster, right, Blackout?
No.
See, I can't believe you two were trying to sabotage me that hard. I was doing so well.
Ah, you shit about that.
Yeah, I did really good. Did you see? I won. I did it with 117,000 score. I did it. It was me. I don't know why I'm trying to do a visual joke of me celebrating when no one can see me, but I'm doing it anyway.
I believe ya. As I said, you got a birth stamp of approval. You already up. Ooh, press.
Are you
What
ready?
the heck?
That's it. You're getting kicked out.
Ready,
Hey, am I getting relocated?
You're going to Brazil.
Hey, that's where my people are.
Well, I'll go Brazil too then.
Hey, vacation. Come on, Blackout. Let's go beat Rolled Out without Mike sabotaging us.
You want to get some Portuguese food?
Sure. And by that, I mean I have to go back to job. Thanks for having me. I'll be back later because I made sure you're streaming longer. So we're gonna play Phasmo later, right?
Maybe a plenty of your segment, but we'll see with these sub goals if that happens. Anyway, the next segment.
Don't forget, Phasmo has a new VR update.
I know, but the thing is, I can't use my webcam with it.
We'll just do it anyway.
I'll try, but still, it sucks. But by the way, you could technically procrastinate because the next step is gonna be the quiz, which is gonna be Kahoot. So you can procrastinate at your job, but then try to answer the questions at the
I
same
don't think I
time.
can procrastinate anymore. I've been doing it all morning. I think I kind of need to contribute something if I want to stay employed.
I mean, right
Fair,
now.
fair enough, you do you.
Anyway, thanks for having me. I'll be back later. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Here's your
Easy.
birthday back.
My
I'm
birthday
leaving
map.
now.
I heard it actually. Bessie Aston. Nah, that's fun.